Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Audi A4 key. First, take a working key and insert it into the ignition, turning it to the on position. Leave it there for 5 seconds, then remove it. Immediately after, insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. This sets up the car for the next steps. Now, with the new key in the ignition, turn it to the on position within 5 seconds. Next, press and hold the unlock button on the new key for exactly 2 seconds. After releasing the unlock button, immediately press the lock button 1 time. These actions signal the car's system to recognize the new key. Once you have completed the previous steps, remove the new key from the ignition. It is now time to test its functionality. Check if the remote functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, work correctly. Most importantly, ensure the car starts smoothly with the newly programmed key, confirming successful programming. For best results, always ensure your car's battery is fully charged before attempting key programming. Be aware that certain Audi models might require a specialized diagnostic tool for complete programming. If you encounter any issues, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions and troubleshooting tips. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.